Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to make viral animated cartoon video in the style of Disney Pixar. Now, let us explore the realm of cartoon videos made by artificial intelligence. What is even better? You can make these captivating animations without any cost. Today, I am thrilled to show you the process of creating AI-generated animations in the style of Disney Pixar. The best part is, it won't cost you anything. In this video, I will walk you through each step of the process. So, be sure to stay with me until the end. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let's get started. Let us start a journey to uncover the details of this creative process. At the beginning of any video project, there is the ideation phase, a time of limitless potential where creativity takes flight. It is an exciting moment where imagination plays a central role, and I personally enjoy adding my creative touch to the process. To spark inspiration, I rely on ChatGPT, a versatile platform that serves as a dynamic source of ideas. For those unsure of where to begin, ChatGPT is more than capable of offering a curated list of ideas or conceptual themes to kickstart the creative process. For this specific project, I decided to embark on a cinematic adventure, crafting an animated film trailer that reimagines the iconic Lion King in the enchanting storytelling style that Disney Pixar is famous for. These cherished stories from my childhood hold a special place in my heart, making this undertaking even more meaningful. With this imaginative concept taking form, it is time to engage in a lively exchange of ideas with ChatGPT. The first step in this creative collaboration involves asking ChatGPT to create a carefully crafted list of prompts that align precisely with the scenes I have imagined. Once I have this collection of prompts, I will share my script with ChatGPT, and in response, it will generate prompts for each scene. This interactive process becomes a crucial tool for polishing the script, making sure it seamlessly matches the creative vision I have outlined, all the while capturing the essence and spirit of both The Lion King and Disney Pixar's enchanting storytelling magic. Now that we have carefully crafted our script, it is time to take the next step in our creative journey and bring our envisioned scenes to life vividly. Armed with the extraordinary free image generator, Leonardo AI, we have the power to conjure up to 150 images every day. When used skillfully, this remarkable platform can produce images of stunning realism. For our project focused on creating a Disney Pixar-style animation, we will leverage the capabilities of a 3D animation model to set the stage for our visual narrative. To kick things off, I am excited to introduce a reliable prompt template that will act as your guide on this visual adventure. This template provides a solid foundation for constructing your prompts, leading you from defining the subject and painting vivid scenes with descriptions to specifying the desired style. As an illustrative example, let us imagine a scene featuring a robust lion, Simba, strolling the forest, all rendered in the enchanting style synonymous with Disney Pixar's cinematic magic. Before you press the crucial Generate button, it is essential to ensure that your settings align impeccably with your creative vision. Start by turning off the photo reel, alchemy, and prompt magic sliders to maintain full creative control. In my case, creating content for YouTube, I choose a cinematic 16:9 aspect ratio to captivate the audience effectively. Once all these elements are seamlessly aligned, it is time to click Generate. The initial results often display an impressive level of detail, but the beauty of this creative process lies in your ability to refine and perfect the image to mirror your exact vision. To achieve this, consider adding more details by explicitly describing the elements you want to see in the image. For instance, you might specify that the scene should unfold on Earth, under a vibrant canopy of bright blue skies. Additionally, think about enabling negative prompts to guide the AI on what to avoid in the image, such as excluding multiple characters, space-related elements, or specific actions. After making these refined adjustments and fine-tuning your prompt, do not hesitate to press the Generate button once again. And for the final touch of finesse, enhance the image quality by using the HD Crisp as Scale option. ensuring the final output is a masterpiece that truly captures the essence of your creative vision, down to the smallest detail. Now, let us explore a second approach, a valuable method when your goal is to recreate a specific setting or duplicate something existing in the world. This method entails working with a reference image, providing especially effective in such scenarios. Imagine having a vision of a particular scene you want to bring to life. In these situations, you can search the vast internet landscape to find an image closely resembling your envisioned scene. Once you have pinpointed this reference image, effortlessly input it into Leonardo's image input section. Following this step, you can use the same prompt template we have previously discussed as your starting point. Armed with a thoughtfully selected reference images, it is time to infuse vitality into them by transforming them into captivating animations. For this creative leap, we are leveraging the capabilities of Pika Labs, an excellent resource for AI-generated animations. Accessing the beta version of Pika Labs is a straightforward process. Simply visit their website and opt to join beta, which will smoothly guide you to their Discord community. Pika Labs generously provides multiple generation rooms, each offering a unique space to embark on your video creation journey. However, it is important to note that these rooms are bustling with activity, which can sometimes be overwhelming. To initiate the animation generation process, start by typing a / and selecting the animate option within Pika Labs. Then, proceed to upload the image previously crafted using Leonardo. The technical facet of the process now takes center stage. It is crucial to commence with a written prompt aligning with the template used in Leonardo. Similar to the earlier approach, your prompt should kick off with the subject, delve into scene movement descriptions, and conclude by specifying the desired style. Maintaining conciseness in your prompt is vital to ensure optimal results. Beneath these technical aspects, creative tools are at your disposal to fine-tune your animation. Utilize negative prompts to specify elements you'd like to avoid in the video. Additionally, customize parameters such as frames per second or FPS, guidance scale, camera features, the amount of motion, and the seed number to achieve the desired result. A key strategy within the animation creation process is generating multiple variations of your video. This strategic approach allows for iterative fine-tuning and perfection of the outcome. With each new video generated, consider making slight adjustments to the prompts. This method can save a significant amount of time in the long run and ultimately help achieve the perfect animation aligned seamlessly with your creative vision. Once satisfied with your creation, do not forget to download the video for safekeeping. To ensure the highest quality for your animations, it is a wise choice to enhance the video's resolution. CapCut, a powerful and freely available online upscaling tool, will be used during the editing process, and I will guide you through that in detail later. As we witness your animations taking shape and coming to life, it becomes increasingly important to pay attention to the audio components. It is crucial to understand that the combination of carefully chosen background music and thoughtfully incorporated sound effects is a masterstroke in breathing life into your videos. This aspect of your creative journey is where your audience can truly immerse themselves in the world of you have crafted. In this context, let me introduce my top recommendation, Pixabay or TuneTanks. These extensive libraries provide a diverse range of audio resources, ensuring you have an abundance of options to perfectly complement the visuals you have crafted. Now, let us explore perfecting the audio landscape of your animations. To achieve a harmonious and well-rounded audio experience, consider incorporating a captivating voiceover. My preferred choice for this critical aspect is 11 Labs, a renowned hub for its vast database of super realistic voiceovers. Adding a professional-grade voiceover can lend a compelling narrative layer to your animations, enriching their overall impact. While 11 Labs offer the advantage of a free trial period, it is worth noting that there are also free alternatives accessible within the realm of voiceover creation. These options provide a spectrum of choices to cater to varying preferences and budget considerations, ensuring you can secure the perfect voice that aligns seamlessly with your creative vision. Now that all the creative elements are in place, it is time to embark on the exciting journey of assembling your animation into a cohesive and visually stunning video. While there are various editing software options available, for its user-friendliness and robust capabilities, I highly recommend utilizing CapCut. This versatile and freely accessible software simplifies the entire editing process, enabling you to seamlessly import your animations, soundtracks, and voiceovers and subsequently craft your video to perfection. With CapCut at your disposal, you have a wide array of creative tools at your fingertips. You can introduce smooth transitions, overlay text when necessary, and make judicious use of a myriad of effects that the software offers. This is where you have the opportunity to truly bring your vision to life, refining your animation and ensuring that every frame is a work of art. A pro tip here is to be mindful of the video's frame rate, using between 30 or 60 frames per second for that fluid and captivating motion, and to ensure your resolution is top-notch, ranging from 1080 pixel to 2K or 4K. As a general rule, higher resolutions translate to crisper and more visually engaging results, allowing your animations to shine. So, that is the complete guide that shows you how to make Disney Pixar-style animated movies using AI, and it won't cost you a thing. Now that you all know the tricks and tips, you are all set to start making your own Disney Pixar-style trailer movies. Remember, practicing and trying new things will help you get better. If you have questions or need help, feel free to ask in the comments. I'd also love to hear about your experience. Was it easy or tricky? Are there parts you need more help with? Your thoughts are important, and I am here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.